opening settings. And now you need to scroll all the way down to find this last section, apps. And in the list, search for your Photos app. Great. And now, of course, if you set up Face ID in settings, then if you scroll down, you should see this option to use Face ID. So to be able to use it, you would need to toggle on the switch so it will light up green. And now you can use it for hidden folder and recently deleted. So let's go in Photos. And right now we can find here hidden and recently deleted albums. And as you can see, they are locked. So to unlock, we need to tap View Album, scan Face ID, and now we can check content of this album. And that's it for today. If you see a message that your iPhone is jailbroken, it could be a scam. So go to Settings first, and then tap on Apps, and find Safari in the list, or Google Chrome if you use that browser more often. Now you need to find this option on the bottom to clear history and website data, and make sure to select all history to enable close all tabs, and then click here to clear history. This will delete all cookies and website data. And for that, you can also go in Advanced Website Data and remove it from here as well if you can see something in the list after deleting history. Now, if you receive a suspicious link, do not click it to open. Just press and hold it, and from the list of options, choose Copy. After that, go in Safari and enter "Is a link safe?" Then you should see those websites in which you can check it. For example, we can use this NordVPN and paste this link here. Tap Analyze, and as you can see, it is fine, so no signs of malicious activity. Now we can also make our Apple account's password stronger. For that, go back in Settings, go back in Main Settings, and scroll all the way up to find your Apple account. Then tap Sign In and Security, and you will see option to change password, where you can enter your current password, then a new complex password with at least 8 characters, including numbers and capital letters. Also, you can enable two-factor authentication to enable security to include additional confirmation of access via email or other device. Now, in Settings, go in General, tap here on the VPN and device management, and if you can see any unknown profile here, then click it and choose option Delete Profile. Then also updating your phone may help, so go in General, tap Software Update. Make sure that automatic updates are turned on, and if your device is not updated to the latest version, then do it. Update your phone. Also, make sure that you have secured Wi-Fi connection. So connect only to Wi-Fi networks, which includes this lock icon, so which are protected with password. And in crowded places, make sure to turn off Wi-Fi by swiping down from top right corner and tapping on the Wi-Fi's icon. The next thing we can do is we can install secure app. For that, open App Store, tap on search bar, and type security in the search to select appropriate apps, such as Norton 360, for example. So you can install an app for extra security, given that many include a VPN. Now also go back in settings, find Face ID and passcode, enter your current passcode, and then scroll down till the section Allow Access when locked. Here we need to turn off Control Center, Siri, and also Wallet. So make sure that they are turned off so no one will be able to access data on your device. Now in Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, and here scroll all the way down to find App Privacy Report and evaluate which apps are using your sensors or data. Uninstall apps that seem suspicious to you, and here tap to turn on App Privacy Report. And the last thing we can do is enable stolen device protection. For that, we need to go ahead and select Face ID and passcode again, enter current passcode, and then scroll a bit down to find stolen device protection. Make sure it is turned on so the switch is green, and after that, when you'll try to change something on your device, such as passcode, or try to sign out your Apple account in non-familiar places, then you will receive this security delay. You can start it, confirm that it is you, and then after 1 hour you will be able to change any type of data, but no one else except you. And that's all for today. First of all, let's choose app we wanna hide. Let's say it will be Instagram. So to hide that app, I need to press and hold its icon and choose option Require Face ID. If your phone is with Touch ID, then choose option Require Touch ID and click it. Now we need to select the second option, Hide and Require Scan Face ID. You may notice that it's really fast process. Let me show you again. Just take a look at the dynamic island and Face ID is scanned. Now you can read this information that if you decide to hide that app, you will not receive notifications, calls, or alerts from this app. So you can tap blue option Hide App, and as you can see, it's gone from home screen. We can also swipe down to trigger spotlight search, and when I'm writing Instagram, nothing pops up as well. So to find that app, we need to swipe left till App Library and find Hidden Folder, which will appear with iOS 18. By clicking on it, you need to scan your face or enter your phone's password, just like that. And after that, you can view its content. So you can easily open app and use it. And to unhide, you need to press and hold the app, choose Don't Require Face ID, and then it should reappear in home screen. If not, go back in App Library and find it here, then drag to the home screen to add it back. That's it for today. So for that, as a first step, find and open your Shortcuts app. And from here, you need to make sure that you tapped on Shortcuts and then tap on this plus in the upper right corner. From here, you would need to search for the action Lock Screen. Tap on that and click Done. Now we created this shortcut, so we need to switch to Automation. Tap on plus, scroll down until App. Here choose is opened and run immediately. And now tap on Choose and select app you wanna lock. For example, we can lock camera. If you wanna lock more than one app, then just continue checking apps like that. Now tap Done, then click this button Next, and we need to set an action. What will happen when camera app is opened, right? So tap on the search bar and find created shortcut Lock Screen. And now everything is done and set, and we just need to try this out. So I'm gonna open my camera, and as you can see, it is immediately moving me to my lock screen. So to use camera, I will need to unlock my phone, and now I can use this app. And that's it for today. Before we start, make sure that you remember your current passcode, as you will need it to change your settings. Be careful, as disabling your password deletes data such as Apple Pay. And now let's start. Firstly, open up your settings and find Face ID and Passcode tab. And at this point, enter your current lock screen passcode to unlock this setting. So if you turned on Face ID, then you will not be able to turn passcode off. And in that case, you need to reset your Face ID first. And now this option is active. So click on it once, then click Turn Off and enter your Apple account's password to confirm this step. After that, click button Turn Off in the upper right corner and enter your current passcode once again. Then just wait a few seconds, and here I suggest you to select option Keep using iCloud chain. And as you can see, your passcode is now disabled. Your iPhone will no longer ask for it when you unlock it, but it's not safe. And if you want to keep your extra data safe without a password, enable iCloud Keychain to manage your passwords and not forget them. For that, scroll up to find your Apple account, click iCloud, tap to see all, find Passwords and Keychain, and turn on Sync with this iPhone. That's it.
Open the Settings app on your iPhone. At the top, click on your profile name. Look for the option Find My and tap on it. Within this menu, tap on Find My iPhone. Toggle off the switch next to Find My Network. In the pop-up menu, click on Disable. Also, toggle off the switch next to Find My iPhone. Enter your Apple ID password when prompted. After entering the password, at the top right, click on Turn Off. Now return to the home screen. Press and hold the volume up button and the power button together and slide to power off. Check that Findable after power off message is gone now. And that's it.